Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, I'm bringing you my April update to the whole collection, Project Pan. So if you want to see all of the progress that I've made on everything I've been working on, then let's go ahead and just get on into it. Blazemere is being so lovey-dovey. He wanted to say hi. Oh. Say hello, Bubba's. He hates being on camera so badly. Yeah, you're done. Ugh. So, now that we've had our cameo, if you don't know what this project is about, let me get there. I'm way too far. So, give me my sticky note. You were randomly to generate 10 products. Your rolling style, it's 3 to 5 uses per product. And I'm just using this to determine what stays in my collection, what gets decluttered, generally speaking. And I want to also, generally speaking, have no more than 2 of the same, oh, I'm going to have cat hair now. No more than 2 of the same category of item in at a time. So like 2 blushes, etc. So we have almost a full refresh, which is oh so very exciting. So I didn't even grab out any of the items because Blazemere had jumped up here. So let me grab those items out so then we can actually get into today's update. And actually, it's very, very easy because 3 out of the 4 items that are rolling out have already been decluttered. So I don't even have them to show you. So we'll just talk about those really, really fast. We had from LA Colors, it was the rose gold eyeliner. I used that one time and I decluttered it on the 19th of February. So it wouldn't show up on my waterline, and even though I sharpened it, wouldn't work. So I figured since it's a sharpenable liner, it's something I could easily pass on to a close friend. And that is gone. So that is literally already gone, already out of my collection, given to a friend. So then we had the L'Oreal lip liner. That was the pencil lip liner in S'il vous plaît, as Melissa very well told me in the comments. That's how it's pronounced. So I used that twice, and I decided I was decluttering it on March 12th. So I didn't like the tone of it. The first time I used it as a traditional lip liner with another lipstick, and it just took over the lip color. And the second time I was like, okay, I'm going to be a little more intentional with the lip color, and I'm just going to put like a little bit of gloss on. And I don't like the tone on me. And that pencil, I have never had a pencil lip liner or eyeliner smell as much of a pencil as that one did. And I couldn't get over it. Couldn't do it. So I used it twice, and that one is gone. Then we had the Jeffree Star Supreme Gloss in Queen Supreme. I used that once and decluttered that on the 18th of February. That baby was thick. I don't know how they get off on calling that a gloss. That might as well just be a glossy lipstick because it's full pigment, full power, full everything. I didn't like the taste or the scent of it either. And that's a big issue for me when it comes to lip products. So she had to go. And I also didn't like the color on me. Like that hot pink, that was a no. A no thank you very much. We do have one rolling out that I actually did hit my uses on that I enjoyed, that I liked, that I'm keeping. And that is this Tarte blush from the holiday collection. And this one is in the shade Lavish. I got my 3 uses on it on the 20th of March. It's a beautiful, just nice pink blush. The formula was nice. It worked nice. It is nice. I will be keeping it. And the only other product that we have in that will be rolling over is the cream shadow, which I actually have on my eyes today. It's from YC Collection, and it is in the shade Forgiveness. So it is this, like, burgundy shadow. I hate the applicator. Hate the application method, but I think the color of the shadow is pretty. It's on my outer corner. I will say, this dries when you put it on the eyes immediately. It gave me absolutely no time to blend it. So I've used it once. I don't know if it's something I'm going to keep. I'm very particular with my cream and liquid and eye products that aren't in palettes, so we shall see. But I do overall like how it turned out on the eyes. I just hate the application method. The wholesale application method. So, we have 4 items that will be rolling in. So let me grab the tablet and I will show you guys. I'm going to try and do like a big screen record where you just see what items roll in so that I can go grab them, and then I will, when you see me again, I'll have the items and we can do the swatchy swatch and talk about it. Right, now as you saw what we rolled in, we got a variety, a little bit of everything. So I'm not too miffed about anything. A little miffed about one, but it's fine. So the first item we rolled in was the L'Oreal Back to Bronze bronzer. So this is the Bronze to Paradise. Back to Bronze is the shade. It's the shade 03. I got this in my giveaway that I won from Ashley Lorraine. Doesn't have a scent, so it's very creamy. And for shade 3, that actually is pretty light. I think I like it. I haven't used it on the face yet, hence it being in this project. But it's just got a 3-use goal on it. Hopefully that'll help me get some sort of idea of how I feel about it. Then we had the Sydney Grace Liquid Shadow in Black Hole. This was in a previous project, and I wish I would have taken this off this list because I know how I feel about this. But hopefully I can get my 3 uses quickly. So it is a glittery, it's a black with silver glitter. It is a beautiful shade. I got it in a Sydney Grace mystery bag 2 years ago? A year ago? 2023, so 2 years ago now. And I love this. I think it's gorgeous. So, 3 uses on that guy. Then we got my Sugar Drizzle Loose Pigment. This one's in the shade Blueberry Tart. And of course it's messy. Why wouldn't it be? There is Blueberry Tart. So you guys are seeing like a silvery pink, and I'm seeing a blue-green. Oh, that made a mess everywhere. Normally my pigments don't make that much of a mess. And then last but not least, we rolled in one of my brand new Delancey Multichrome lip glosses that I got from DW. And this one is in shade number 3. So to me, I see pinky, purple, blue, green. Very excited. Ooh, I kind of smell like a minty a little bit. So that is going to do it for all 4 products rolling in, all 4 products rolling out. We do have our 1 rollover. So yeah, I probably shouldn't have rolled in one of these shadows, but in my humble opinion, so I have 2 liquids and this is a loose pigment, so they are different. And it's my discretion. So it is what it is. 3 uses isn't too bad. So, and then we have a bronzer and a lip. So that's going to do it for today's update. Let me know what you guys think of how I did the roll-ins this time. I would love your feedback. Otherwise, any other questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.